Here's a great deal on a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.